Imagine stepping out onto the powdery surface of the moon, gazing at the Earth rise in the black sky above you. This isn't the realm of dreams or a scene from science fiction anymore. The idea of creating permanent lunar bases for space exploration and tourism is transitioning from a distant vision to a foreseeable future. We are entering an era where lunar habitation aligns with our grasp of technology and our ambition to become a multi-planetary species. In this deep dive, we will embark on a journey that explores the cutting-edge advancements, architectural marvels, and daring missions that are making the concept of lunar bases a reality. Mankind has always been fascinated by the moon, our celestial neighbor that has inspired countless myths, acts of heroism, and a global race to space. The Apollo missions were the pinnacle of lunar exploration in the 20th century, a testament to human ingenuity and resolve. But the moon landings were brief visits. Humanity's footprint on the lunar soil was transient. The idea that lingered in the minds of visionaries and scientists was one of permanence. What if we could live on the moon? This question became the seed for what we are witnessing now. The quest to establish permanent bases on the moon for multiple layered purposes, including space exploration and tourism. The foundation of building a lunar base relies on mastering several aspects: selecting suitable sites, understanding the harsh lunar environment, developing sustainable life support systems, and creating structures that can withstand the extremes of space. The south pole of the moon has emerged as a prime location due to the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters, which is essential for life support and can be used as rocket fuel. The South Pole also offers near continuous sunlight in some areas, providing a potential energy source for solar power systems. The environmental challenges on the moon are unlike anything experienced on Earth. Temperatures can swing from searingly hot to chillingly cold, and the lack of atmosphere means that lunar inhabitants will be bombarded with harmful radiation and micrometeorites. To combat these challenges, engineers and scientists are developing building materials and construction methods suited to the lunar environment. This includes using regolith, the moon's soil, to create bricks and protective layers for habitats. Innovative ideas like 3D printing with lunar materials are also on the table, offering a sustainable and efficient approach to constructing the necessary infrastructure. Life support systems that recycle air, water, and waste are critical for long-term survival. Research in closed-loop life systems on the International Space Station provides valuable insights into creating self-sustaining habitats. These systems mimic Earth's natural cycles to provide fresh air, clean water, and food for the lunar inhabitants, while minimizing reliance on costly supply missions from Earth. For the structures themselves, plans for lunar bases include habitats, laboratories, storage facilities, and possibly even greenhouses. Some concepts involve burying habitats beneath the lunar surface to shield them from radiation and micrometeorites. Others propose inflatable modules with protective layers or utilizing natural lunar caves as shelter. The architecture of these lunar bases is not just about functionality. It also embodies the spirit of human exploration with designs that are both innovative and inspiring. While science and survival are the primary functions, there's no denying the allure of the moon as a destination for space tourism. The concept of ordinary people traveling to the moon for an extraordinary experience is gaining traction. Companies in the aerospace sector are pushing the boundaries to create vehicles and habitats that can support not just astronauts, but tourists as well. The prospect of gazing at Earth from the moon's surface, experiencing low gravity, and being among the few to leave their footprints on lunar soil is an irresistible draw for potential space tourists. The economic implications of lunar bases are also profound. They could serve as launch pads for deeper space exploration, reducing the fuel and resources needed for missions to Mars and beyond. Tourism could generate significant revenue, helping to fund scientific research and the development of space technologies. The moon could become a hub for industries like mining, as we learn to extract and utilize resources like helium-3, which is rare on Earth but abundant on the moon's surface. Establishing permanent lunar bases will be one of humanity's most audacious undertakings. It will require international cooperation, billions of dollars in investment, and the ingenuity to overcome formidable technical hurdles. But the collective will to see humans living on the moon is gathering momentum. With each passing year, we witness technological leaps that bring us closer to this once inconceivable dream. As we move towards this new frontier, we must also consider the societal and ethical implications. Who will govern these lunar bases? What laws will apply? How will we ensure that the moon remains a place for all of humanity, rather than the domain of a privileged few? These are questions that add a complex layer to the endeavor, showing that our journey to the moon is as much about exploring our values and principles as it is about exploring space. In conclusion, creating permanent lunar bases for space exploration and tourism is no longer just a vision. It's a goal that nations and private entities around the world are actively working towards. From the selection of sites to the development of groundbreaking technologies and the intricate planning of life support and habitation, the progress we're making is both tangible and astonishing. The moon beckons us, offering a new chapter in our story as a species, one where our presence in space is continuous and our horizons are boundless. With unwavering curiosity and relentless innovation, we are paving the way for future generations to call the lunar surface their home away from home. And as we take those steps, we redefine what is possible, proving that the only limits that exist are the ones we place on ourselves. The moon awaits, and so does the legacy of our cosmic ambition.